Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green, red, and orange trend line is coming from. And that trend line brings about the big, kind of question going into next week, and that is the breakout of the trend line did occur, and also the breakout of that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Now, granted, yeah, the price did pull back quite a bit from the breakout, but the breakout is still underway. So going into next week, the big question becomes, is this breakout going to get any sort of bullish continuation, or is this one of these phony breakouts? I don't know, but we can, by using the chart here, we can make answering the, is the chart going to get continuation pretty straightforward. So first thing I want to do is some house cleaning, because this is sort of distracting. So that trend line there has played its role, and I'm also just going to get rid of that line down there. But really the easiest way to figure out, is this going to get continuation, is, well, let's get a trend line into place here. So from the opposite side of things, and that is right here. If this breakout has any sort of true power, well, it's going to keep on breaking out, right? Or in other words, it's going to be making progress forward, and that is exactly what that trend line is representing and showing. Over time, the price has had its pullback, sure, but with each and every pullback, the price keeps getting higher and higher. Or if you want to picture these as stair steps, that's what you want to see. So yeah, the price broke above that resistance trend line. Now it's all about staying above the support trend line to, either validate or invalidate the status of the breakout. And like I said, so far so good on the bull side of things. While it did pull back from its highs, yes, it did still build a couple of higher bases. And as long as that is the case, that uptrend here remains intact, and therefore the breakout is still technically getting continuation. Now from a resistance side of things, can you tell it's Friday? The key level of resistance has been, verified right up there at right around $28.15. I talked about this in the past videos, but you can see right there, knocked down the price. And then this morning, sure, the price did get up above it, but that's only half the battle, because just because the price gets above a certain level, then the price has to, focus on staying up above it, and that's where the price did ultimately fail there. So 28.15 still that near-term level of resistance. If the price can break through there, then you can turn your attention up to 28.60, which is that next level. But all in all, good movement today, got the breakout. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls get continuation? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.